Okay, this is the second video because the first one was too long to upload to YouTube. So the y-intercept is 0, 1 because it's cosine. The maximum value is 1, and it occurs at negative 2 pi, 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, etc. The minimum value is negative 1. It's at negative pi, pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, all the odd pi's. So the basic function we're graphing, we're going to call it the parent function. The parent function that we're graphing is y equals cosine x. What are the two transformations? Well, the negative 3 means translate down 3 units. We've never had a 2 inside with the x before. We've only had vertical stretches and compressions, not horizontal. So we do 2 pi over w, and you divide by 2, because 2 is the number inside with it, and so the period is pi. The period is going to be pi. So this is 0. We start at 1, 0, and we do our normal cosine graph. Then we change the period to pi, so it's gonna complete all the way when it gets to here. So it goes here, 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 and it does it on this side as well. And then we move down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and it does the same thing. Down 3 units, nice smooth cosine curve. So sinusoidal means it's a sine curve, and cosine curves are like sine curves, so it's sinusoidal curves is what they are. So we're going to graph cosine, right? And then we're going to move it 2 pi to the right and see what happens. See what it goes through now? It goes through the origin, and when it goes through the origin, that means it's a sine graph. So this is sine x. So they're the same graphs except moved to the right pi over 2. So sine and cosine graphs are really the same. So when you're finding the equation of a graph, oftentimes you can find more than one equation, one with sine and one with cosine. So the range of this is from negative 1 to 1, because the number in front is 1. The range of this is 2, from negative 2 to 2. That looks really blurry. Okay. And this is negative 1/2 to 1/2. And they use the letter A for amplitude. It's the negative absolute value of A to the positive absolute value of A, and the negative absolute value of A to the positive absolute value of A. And absolute value of A is called amplitude. How high and how low the graph goes. It's the height of the graph. In terms of the transformation, it determines the vertical stretch or compression. Why do you think the amplitude is the absolute value of A? So this, I think the other video picks up from where we left off. So I'm going to shut this off, and so watch the next video. Thank you.